Hello everyone. So today we're going to solve the problem of the day, arranging the array. In this problem, we have been given an array of size n, and all we have to do is to rearrange this array in place such that we have negative numbers first in this array, and the non-negative numbers are after the negative numbers without changing their order of occurrence. So let me explain to you through the first test case in which we have array elements as 3, 3, minus 3, 3, minus 2, and 2. So what we have to do is to put these negative elements, minus 3 and minus 2, before the positive ones. And we don't have to change the order of these positive elements. So the answer should be 3 and 2. So yeah, minus 3, minus 2, 3, and 2. Similarly, for the second test case, minus 3, minus 2, 1, and 0. This should be the answer. So what we can do, what we can do is we can, as soon as we get a positive element, as soon as we get a positive element, we can push it into the stack, and we must travel from the opposite direction. I mean, right to left. So let me write it down for you. Minus 3, 3, minus 2, and 2. So we can traverse from back hand side, and what we can do is as soon as we get a positive element including 0, we can push it into the stack. Why we are doing that, I will tell you. So first we will have 2, then we will have 3. All right. And in the next iteration, we can use another array in which as soon as we will be traversing from the forward direction, and as soon as we get a negative number, we will be placing it in the array. For example, if we get in the first, at the first index, we get minus 3, which we stored in our array, and then we get a positive, so we neglect it, and then we get to see minus 2, so we store it in our array. And now what we can do is, until our index pointer, which is which may be k, will be less than n, the size of array. So what we'll be doing is we'll be incrementing this k and storing the top value of the stack, which is 3, is 3 here, and until the stack gets empty. All right. So yeah, that's the approach. So the usage of stack is to avoid the reversing of the numbers of the array. So if you see, if we have had we traversed from the forward direction, we would have this result wrong. The stack would have stored first the 3 and then 2. And while popping it, we would be having the reverse result, right? So I hope you understood. Let me code this solution for you. So first of all, we will be needing a stack of int st, and we'll be traversing in this array. So as I said, we will be traversing from the reverse direction. All right. So n minus 1 greater than equals 0, I plus I minus 1. And all we have to do is to c dot ar of I. So we have pushed all the positive elements from the n into the stack. So let us take now another iterable variable initialized with 0, and for so now as soon as we get a negative element, so if oh we forgot to put the condition here, if ar of I is greater than or equals to 0. As you can see, the 0 is included here in the non-negative numbers. So we'll be including our 0 with the positive numbers. If ARR of I is less than 0, then ARR of k plus plus equal to ARR of I. So after storing the array elements in the place of k, we will be incrementing our k, right? So since we have a loop for I, but not for k, so we have to increment it manually, all right? And now all we have to do is to add the positive elements in our array. So while k is less than n, ARR of k plus plus equal to st dot top. We'll be adding from the stack top and we'll be popping out elements one by one. This should do. All right. Thank you.